the call for special issue. So your research article will be published in quickly manner, and also we will talk about the international conference IEEE Spinger conference that will be held virtually and also offline mode. So last तक वीडियो देखिए, may be possible you will get the journal detail and also the conference detail that you are looking for. So friends, if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel for upcoming important video. And if you require the appropriate journal, ping me through my WhatsApp group. And if you are looking for the patent and copyright, call me through WhatsApp. So first category of this particular thing, International Conference on Sensing, Communication and Networking. This is a virtual conference. Virtual conference means online conference, no need to go anywhere. You can present your research article from your at place. So this is a IEEE SECON conference. Really very golden opportunity to publish your research article. And so what are the themes of this particular conference? So there are the so many tabs are available. So you can see here if you want to know more about the IEEE CCON, about committee, who is the committee members, call for papers, program registration and pattern. So these are the different types of the tabs. Now most important thing about the important dates. So when we can submit our research article. So this is a extended date of this particular conference, so grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper. So by 22nd of February you can submit your research article, and paper submission extended date at the 22nd of February, and acceptance you will get by 17th of April, and final decision you will get by 30th of April, and conference date is the 6 to 9 July 2021. So this is an important date that you should keep in mind. Accordingly, you have to submit your research article. So this is a very really golden opportunity to publish your research article. So all the things you want to know. So these are all the tabs. So call for papers. So here you can click on the particular thing, call for paper, so it will be redirected to the call for paper. So all the things very reputed conference, because the IEEE conference, so your research article will be get indexed in the SCI Web of Science or a Scopus category. So this is a kind of golden opportunity. So explore this particular section. Here you will get all the detailed information and topics and title, what types of the topics can be covered in this particular conference. So you can explore each and everything very carefully, so you can just explore it. These are all the topics are mentioned here. If your research or article or research area falls under these types of the category, you can submit your research. How we will submit our research article? So these are all the things are available here, and here you can find the templates and all the things. So accordingly you have to mention, and you have to submit your research article. So grab this golden opportunity, and about the program registration, all the things are given here. So this is a virtual conference, so grab this golden opportunity to publish your research article in this IEEE reputed conference. Next, this is a call for issue, special issue. So a call for a special issue means your research article will get published in quickly manner. So this is also a golden opportunity to publish your research article. So this call for issue by the Springer. Springer is very reputed platform to publish your research article. Journal title is the Empirical Software Engineer and International Journal. So we will talk about the important dates. So schedule. Submission deadline Friday 26th of February. You can submit your research article and you will get the notification by after 2 months. So within 16 May you can accept, or you can get the notification if whether your research article accepted or not, or minor change, all the things will be communicated to you through the editor. So this is a very important thing, because the Springer journal, and within a 2 months your research article, or about your research article acceptance, all the things you will get here. So grab this golden opportunity to about this particular special issue, scope and submission topics. So these are the topics detail. If your research article comes under this particular topics and title, you can submit your research article. And how will you submit your research article? So all the things are given here. So explore this section very carefully. So here you will get all the detailed information about the submission and how will you prepare your research articles. All the things are given here. So submission instruction, all the things are given here. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research article for the Springer issues, and this is a really very quickly or rapid publication issue that they have mentioned. Next one is the call for a special issue. This is also the very good reputed publisher Elsevier across the globe. So the journal title is the Cyber Physical Microsystem for Signal Processing and Navigation System. So this is a journal title name, and what types of the topics and title covered by this journal. So explore this section very carefully. Here you will get all the detailed information in detail. Now about the important dates, so you can see here these are the important dates. So by 30th of by 28th February you can submit your research manuscript and research article, and after 2 months you will get the notification whether your research title or research article accepted or not, or minor changes. Within 2 months you will get the communicated through the editorial board member, and if any kind of revision you will get the notification by 30th of July, and the final decision by 30th of October. So really very quickly or rapid publication issue. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research article in this particular Elsevier category is called for special issue, and here you will get all the detailed topic and titles. So these all the topics and titles you can see here. Potential topics included but not limited. So these are all the topics are mentioned. So just export this thing. So here if your research article comes under this particular these topics and title, you can submit your research article for this, but is called for a special issue. So friends, thank you for watching this video.